Hey guys, this is Maggie from KH Battery. We are lithium battery manufacturer. Today I'd like talking about all-in-one mini energy storage system. We have two models. This one is 12,100 an hour. Another one is 12 volt 200 an hour. This is complete power solution with built-in inverter, control, and battery inside. The control is balance the power of the solar panels and the inverter change DC to AC. This is power switch. Here is LCD display, AC power part, DC power part. This system can charge by solar panels and give 2 watts as backup power, which can keep your phone, computer, TV, fans, and LED light charged. 4V USB output part for DC 12 volt transmission outlet, 2 cycle 220 volt output part. It supplies 24-hour clear energy. For more details, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye.